Hi guys, in this session I will explain delete all and delete by ID. So how to delete the entire table and how to delete the particular ID of the user. Okay, suppose you see in the database, suppose if you want delete entire table using JPA repository, so there is one method, delete all method. Okay, if you pause that method, it will delete all. Suppose if you want to delete only one particular ID, okay, then you have to use delete by ID method. Okay, I will explain these two things. Before that, you come here, you come to the user repository and the JPA repository. In the JPA repository, you see the list CRUD repository and go to the CRUD repository. You see here the delete all method is there, right? You need to call this one, okay, and delete by ID. These two I will explain. The similarly you can try yourself these two things. Okay, I will give example these two, delete all and delete by ID, these two. Okay, yeah, let me call this one, copy. I am not writing anything in user repo because it is already is there. I shown you, right? Let me show it again. Okay, you see here delete all, it is already implemented. Okay, it is already implemented this and all, no need to implement ourselves. So no need to write anything here. You go directly to the user service IMPL and you can call the delete method. Okay, delete all. Yeah, it's very simple. That's it. Okay, guys. So let me change this, delete all users. Okay, this is your method, and but you need to call this method delete. Okay, delete all method. Okay, delete by ID. Delete user, and we need one ID, right? So which ID you are going to delete, so that's ID we need to pass as a input parameter. That's it. Okay, now if you pull this method into the service, so it will go and add into the service, user service, or else you need to manually add. Manually you have to type and add the method into the service. Okay, now come to the user controller. Okay, we need to call from the controller, right? Yeah, let me use this one. So what we are doing, we are deleting, right? For deleting, which annotations we need to use? Delete mapping. Okay, delete mapping, and delete all users. Guys, this one is not camel case, this all are small. Okay, and there is no input expecting because we are deleting everything, right? Yeah, what is this method? Delete all user. Okay, this method we need to call in controller. There is no parameters expecting. That's it. Okay, delete all user. So what it will do, this is the endpoint. Okay, the endpoint, so once you hit the postman, it will come here and it will go to the service and service implementation. In service implementation we are calling delete all user. Sorry, wait, this method, right? Yeah, delete all method it will call. Okay, similarly we need for this one also. Okay, yeah, one is for delete by ID, another is for delete all. This is for all, entire table it will delete, and this is for delete user. Okay, delete user. For delete user, so come here with this one, right? Delete user, copy this and paste it here, and it is expecting one parameter, right? Input parameter, which ID we have to delete, that ID we need to give it as a request param. Okay, now that is given, right? Okay, not an issue. That's it. Guys, you see here, it's very simple. Delete user, it will come here. Okay, the request, it comes here, and it will come with one input ID, and it will go to service and service implementation. Here we are deleting the same delete all user also. Okay, now let me run this. Okay, delete all user. Application is getting started. It is started, you see, started on port 8080 and started these applications. I'm clearing this and delete all user. Now we'll go delete user, then we'll go delete all. Okay, before that we'll check into the MySQL database user table. You see what are the IDs available? 6, 7 up to 13, right? So what we will do, we will delete the 10th one. Okay, come here, delete user, right? Delete user. It's there or not there? Okay, it's not there. Let me add. This delete user. Okay, after this delete users. Okay, guys, which method is this? Delete, right? You need to select this one. Okay, and what are the parameters we need to provide? This one, ID. Okay, ID. So which user ID we will delete? We'll delete 10th. Okay, this one. So this row, it shouldn't available after executing the piece of code. I mean, once you hit, it shouldn't available. It should get success here. Yes, it is getting success here. You see here, it is getting success, and status is 200. Now you go to the database and check. 10 is available. 10th user ID. No, it's deleted, right? It is deleted. Okay. Similarly, yeah, what we will do, we will delete all users. Okay, guys, I'm adding everything into the Postman collections. What you have to do, you have to save and select the request name and save it. It came here, right? Similarly, suppose if you want to delete all, create new on plus mark, okay, and add it. And what you want, this delete all users, right? Copy this and go to the Postman. Okay, and yeah, now this is fine, and I'm saving this, removing this, and adding this one, and click on the save. Okay, now it added here, right? What is the method? You need to give delete. Okay, now that is fine. Okay, first you go to the database and check what are the users is available. This users is available, right? Okay, this users is available. Let me check it. Yeah, these are all the users. Okay, now I'm deleting all by calling this endpoint, delete all users. Now it is getting success, and the status, HTTP status 200 is okay. Okay, now you go and check it here. There is no data into the user table, right? Yeah, let me show you again. Yeah, once you hit from the Postman, the delete user, it will come here. Okay, this is the endpoint. It will come here, and it will go to the delete user, and we are passing this ID, and this is service, and this is service implementation. Okay, similarly, delete all user. Okay, delete all user, service implementation, and this is delete all. Where is this delete all? Guys, you see here in the user repo, we didn't add that method. It is available into the parent classes. This is JPA repository is the interface, and if you go to this class list CRUD repository, this is also not there, right? And go to the CRUD repository. Now you see here delete all is there, right? Delete all and delete by ID. Okay, if you want, what you can do, yeah, you come here and you can select this one where it is going. You see CRUD repository, right? CRUD repository, delete all, delete by. Okay, similarly, as per your requirement, if you want delete, right, you can use this one. Okay, if this method is not enough, sometimes you want to delete your customized queries, right? You want to execute customized queries. I mean, if you want to delete based on ID or based on email, whatever. So that time this method is not enough. So that time what you have to do, you can write the native queries. Okay. In the next session, I will explain the native queries and JPQL. Thank you. Thanks for watching.